Yo, what's up guys? Back with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe and like the video if you're new. But we got some news on Juice WRLD's girlfriend. So apparently Juice WRLD's girlfriend has been pretty quiet on the situation that happened to Juice WRLD recently on his passing. Rest in peace to Juice WRLD. But she finally breaks her silence in this video. So watch and let's see what she has to say.
Just wanted to come out here and let everyone know that Jared loved every single person that he helped on this earth. He literally loved every single one of you guys.
You can tell that she's super emotional while she's talking right now.
There's not a time that he had shown me any different love that he felt for you. Like, he wants everyone to know that you need to take any negative thing in your life.
Wow, this is crazy so far, you guys. Very motivational.
He would tell you every time he saw you and change that to a positive situation. He did change that to 999. You got to keep that in your heart. Can everyone say 999? Thank you.
Make some noise for Hollywood.
What do you guys think of the situation? And how do you guys feel? Comment down below and subscribe if you're new. Peace out.